if you hate clip-ins but want hair without coming to the salon and without having to find all the little spots in your head to put all the layers, these guys are for you. These are our signature wraparound. They've just launched, and I am looking for the first 2 people to test these out for a 15% discount. If you comment SIG, S-I-G, below and book a consultation, we will get your set out, or if it's live on the website by the time you're clicking on this, click the link below, and there'll be a 15% off code. I'm going to show you how it works though. So you undo all of these clips. First time you do them, they're going to be a little bit stiff. That is normal. Okay, once you have them all unclipped, you're going to put part of your hair up. So you're going to grab like a little U up here. If you find that you have like a deep splitting cowlick, you can drop it a little bit below. I didn't do that very straight. I just want to show you because this is probably in and around what you're going to probably do at home. Okay, so. And then you give yourself a nice little straw man hat situation. So you're going to want balanced powder. And you're going to want a comb. These 2 are basically, this guy is your ride or die. You're going to put a little bit of him right here. Shake it. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way. As long as your first clip is secure, everything else will be golden. So you put a little bit of a back comb here. This just helps him to grab some grit. I'm going to try and see if I can do this without a mirror. So you're going to clip him into this middle piece here. As long as you get this guy to stay, everything else is super easy. Okay, so he's in there. And then basically what I'm going to do is spread these guys apart. So I'm basically just going through and I'm clipping them all in line by line. So that side is completely secure. And then we're going to basically just go back and repeat the process. Just make sure you don't clip it up here. And then once this is in, you're going to drop this guy. And you're going to style him. So with this guy, I would need to cut him a little bit more because it is too big of a gap with my hair, but just so you can see how easy they are. Or my other option is if I really want to keep crazy amounts of lengths, I can use a metaverse piece and I can clip it right here. And if I find that any of these clips kind of want to come undone, I can add a little bit more of my powder right through here. Give it a little bit more of a back comb. And then just pop it back in. And then I'll show you if you wanted to have the crazy extreme length, how you can use a metaverse to transition. Give me one sec. Okay, this is obviously not the right color, but it was the first one that I found just to show you guys what could be done here. Because if you leave it like this, you will straight up have a mullet. Like you could probably add about this much length with that particular piece. But if you want length and density, you come through here, you add a metaverse in, And now, obviously if it matched in terms of color, now I have that density so that I can do a more graduated piece. But these are our new signature wraparounds. So if you have any questions about them, reach out. And if you do want to be a model for these, comment below.